Hi video shooters, it's Baron here with Erin as our talent for today's Canon videography workshop at Black Coffee. The beautiful lighting was possible thanks to the support from Aputure Lights. Guess what makes the perfect couple? It's coffee and cameras for everyone! Some of the amazing tips and tricks that our participants learned were how to shoot the flat lay camera angle. The flat lay is easily achieved by the proper holding technique and swiveling your LCD screen on your camera. Color your dishes more delicious by setting your color temperature. Choose the best colors so your dishes look more yummy with white balance. Add drama and flair to your videos. I showed everyone how to set up for high frame rates to get smooth and cinematic slow motion. Thanks for joining us in this workshop where you can enjoy eating your props. See you in the next workshop.